Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. I want to give a massive shout out to Marco. I'll link his Instagram below, but he did this absolutely killer rendering of stone. What do you guys think? I think he absolutely killed it. Nice job, Marco. I really appreciate it. Thanks for coming down. Here's a short clip of his car when he was here. Before we start today's vlog, we got someone coming over that's going to do a little work on stone, and I'll let you guys in on that very shortly. But first, I just wanted to give you guys an update on Unique Carbon, and I did get a hold of the owner, and he reached out to me, and we come up with a solution, and he absolutely 100% made everything right. So thank you to Unique Carbon for making that all right. I appreciate it, and we'll do future business in the future. So there's a guy coming today from King of Chips. So I was scrolling through Instagram this weekend, and I come across this dynamo windshield repair from Edmonton, and they were talking about how they actually fixed this crack in this BMW 5 Series window. And I was like, I messaged him back and I said, you actually fixed a crack, or was it like a stone chip? And he's like, no, it was like a 30 centimeter long, yeah, I'm pretty sure it was like a 30 centimeter long crack in this BMW front windshield. And I was like, you can actually repair the cracks? And he's like, some of the cracks we can actually repair. I'm like, but you're in Edmonton. I don't want to drive 3 hours north and then 3 hours back and then risk getting another crack on the highway. So he actually suggested somebody from Airdrie, King of Chips, and he had them reach out to me to organize getting the front windshield crack on stone fixed. So today we're having the King of Chips come by, and they're mobile. They come to your house, and he's going to see if he can fix the crack in the front windshield. And it's like $100, so I don't have to spend $500, $600, $700, $800, $1,500 on getting the windshield replaced right away. If this works and fixes the crack, then I'll be golden for the rest of the season, and it won't bug me driving the car seeing this crack in the windshield. So fingers crossed that this works. There is a disclaimer that when they're trying to repair it, it could go longer or it just might not work. But for $100, I'm willing to risk and take that chance. Okay, we're all set up. He'll be here in about 30 minutes. I will show you guys what the crack looks like. If you're new to the channel, you haven't seen that I got the crack on one of the last cruises we did, links above. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. But I'll show you what the crack looks like before they get started. Hopefully they can fix it, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Here is what the crack looks like. It comes all the way out here and then stops. It originates right from this little shot right there.
And from that point, we have two options. We can hope that the crack will go to that drill mark. If not, we'll put a chip there, and then we backfill it, and then we apply pressure in the whole entire length of the crack, and then we can pour fluid into the crack, which will basically make it almost 70 to 90% gone.
Okay.
You won't even be able to see it. It will hopefully never move past. If it does, you give us a call, we'll warranty it free of charge. So
awesome.
If it moves off, I mean, unfortunately, we'll never repair a full windshield.
Right.
But if it moves, just call us. We'll stop it again. We'll backfill it. That's all out of our cost.
Fantastic. You repair cracks or just a chip? And he's like, no, we do a crack. And I was like, oh.
And we can do large cracks. That's what nobody understands, is just because it's, it's not the prettiest looking, it'll still be there when we're done, but it'll be much less visible, and it will never move.
Right.
It'll take all that moisture out of it. And that's, unfortunately, what a big thing is, if people repaired more, it's longevity. Yes, windshields are cheap. You can get some cars that are $125, but breaking that seal every time, if it's improperly put back in place, there's a lot of safety risks to it. So we always try to say, leave the windshield. Have it repaired. You could put $600 into repairing your windshield over its lifespan, and less chances of your weather stripping, leaking, and whatnot. Right. So we always try to do it that way.
So what got you into fixing windshields?
So I've actually always been in the auto industry. I towed for many years.
Okay.
It was actually a very good friend of mine here in Calgary who owns a company. He was doing it, and so a few years ago when I was out of work, I started it with a partner as a kind of a side project.
Yeah.
From there, it turned into more of a full-time project, and now it's something I'm actually passionate about. It's unfortunately there's a lot of guys out there that'll do it for that $10.
Yeah.
But people don't realize it's a safety concern, right? If your vehicle rolls over,
This is one of the safety features to keep that roof from caving in on you.
Absolutely.
So I always believe in provide a quality service at an affordable price. Well, you can only be so affordable, but when your reputation is out there, it's something we're strong with. We always believe that we'll never upsell a customer. We'll never try to sell you another service or another package or a glass treatment or whatever. It's all about provide that service and the customers will return.
so we always try to keep our customers happy, and we're very upfront and honest with them. And it's something that just over the years I've come to like it more and more and more. And it stuck to it.
Nice.
After we got busier and busier, we just kept growing, and now it's an everyday full-time thing.
Cool.
Yeah, that's a really good finished product. So there's no air, no moisture in there. Shouldn't have any issues with it growing. Like I said, if it ever does, you give us a shout back. Give me a couple minutes, I'll finish up the bill for you.
Sure. All right, so huge shout out to Josh at King of Chips for taking care of stone. Here is what the results look like. Basically, it has disappeared. I can't even see it in the screen that I'm looking through, so I highly doubt that you guys are going to be able to see anything. He also gave us a really cool Aquapel glass treatment, which is good for 6 months. It's going to make cleaning the windshield so much better, take the glare off at night. If this is something you guys are interested in, or if you've got a rock chip or a crack in your window, before you go and spend the hundreds or $1,000s, go check out King of Chips. He is mobile, he comes to you, very reasonable priced and super professional. I will definitely recommend them, and I will have all the rock chips and cracks repaired in my windshields from now on by King of Chips. Well, that was very painless. The results 100% speak for themselves. I am truly amazed. That was the best $100 I've ever spent. The glass looks incredible, and man, yeah, now it's not going to bother me so much. You can barely see it. If you look really close, you can see a very fine, but you'll never catch it on video. Or I mean, I would even take a car to the car show like this, because the chances on you actually seeing that crack, it more looks like there's a hair on the windshield. So A1, super awesome. Big shout out to Josh at Kings of Chips again. Like, awesome, super impressed. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. I know I learned something. I hope you guys learned something too. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think below. But like that, please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.